Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by making a vibrant cayenne oil that gives Nashville Hot Sauce its heat and color. Measure 1/2 cup vegetable oil and warm it to 350 degrees F in a small saucepan. Do not let it smoke. Add 6 tablespoons of crushed cayenne flakes and remove from heat, stirring for 2 minutes so the oil infuses bright red pigments and heat. Let the mixture rest 5 minutes, then strain through a fine sieve into a jar. Reserve 3 tablespoons of this oil to blend into the final sauce and refrigerate the rest for future use. For the sauce base, combine 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar with 1/4 cup packed brown sugar and 2 tablespoons tomato paste in a small saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. These spices balance sweet, tangy, and smoky notes. Heat the mixture over medium-low and whisk until the sugar fully dissolves, simmering gently for about 3 minutes to meld flavors. Remove from heat, let cool slightly, and then you can whisk in the reserved cayenne oil gradually to taste. Finish the Nashville Hot Sauce by whisking 3 tablespoons of the reserved cayenne oil into the cooled vinegar spice base until emulsified. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter and 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce for richness. Taste and adjust heat or sweetness. Add up to 2 more tablespoons cayenne oil for more burn or 1 tablespoon brown sugar for balance. Transfer the sauce to a mason jar, cool completely, then refrigerate. It keeps up to 2 weeks. Use immediately to toss with 1.2 kg fried chicken or brush on sandwiches for classic Nashville heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.